40 gels, only the two that you are going to need is your 3D Dual brush. It's one end you are going to do exclusive for the Glitz 40 gels and 5D gels. We will design this to make it so much easier and better and faster for you. And the other end you can use it for your liquid and powder 3D flowers. So best thing about 40 gels is it's not going to dry until you are going to set, like under the LED light, so you have plenty of time to place and to work with yours your 40 gels. So I'm gonna pick up one beads and then we're gonna just keep it like one. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this one. You can start with anywhere. You can start it right here and here, or let's start one right here and we're gonna get two of them together. And then I'm gonna do it right in the side. I'm just processing this right now. You don't have to go really. Just pick them up. And I'm going to do another flowers right there. How's everyone doing today? I'm going to adjusting it. This is a great thing about this. It's not going to dry until we are going to cure. So this is perfect for any seasons. So usually when I do the cute simple of like have a look like a daisy flowers, we are going to do, if you want to do, you can make a dot right here, and then you're going to do one petal, two petal on the sides, and then two petals on the lower. And you can go on and on. We're going to look at this nails after we're done, and then if you need to add more, you can absolutely add more. I just have a tray of alcohol right here, just for me to clean my tip of the two, the 3D doors, and if it has some tacky layer, so then I can clean it first without have to worry about it's gonna have a tacky layer and then it's gonna stick it on my tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it. This is the great thing about this tool, is already designed for you, so make sure like the process that you're doing it for these gels created 3D flowers so much easier. And you can place your flowers everywhere. You can do it half flowers. It doesn't have to be full 5 petals. You can do 3 petals. You can do 2 petals, however make you happy. So you can start seeing it's like it's come out. It's really like, you know, a shape of the flowers already. And then you can continue to work until you are going to happy with this. You want your petal to be more rounded, you can able to do that. You want your petal to be more like long, it's like leggy, you can also do that too. So I'm really like having a fun right here and taking my time, which is great that you don't have to worry about it's going to be set and dry. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to work with the rest of the petals right there. Using the tip to just kind of give a little bit of shaping. Trust me, this is tool does everything for you. Tip it in. And then you don't have to go really aggressive. It's just really gentle and it's going the way you want it. So moving on, the next one, again, press down. And let's go. Press the second one. Let's go. I'm doing slow, so just in case you have a spare moment when you're playing with 40 gel, with Glitz 40 gel, you can working along with me. Press down. And go a little bit on the left and on the right. And with this tool, it's already do the work for you because it decides like a 45 degrees. So when you press it down, it already give you a really nice like a shape of it. Tip it in. And you continue doing the rest of them, like all 4 or 5 petals. Is it? You can mix 3 flowers in pink and have the green ones for the leaves, or you can have them all at different colors. As you prefer. You can do the petals bigger, smaller, however makes you happy, your clients happy. It's cool, right? How easy it is. Yep, so now if you want to add some more detail, you can do it, add more detail. You can add crystal on it. What you think we should do? Some crystals. You can do completely 40. Either way, it looks really, really gorgeous. So I'm going to add a couple more. Okay. You can add, like, alternate the green up here and the pink down where the green petal is. Okay. Then we get the pink. Just pink. That's about smaller size, like sesame seeds. You could sit down. Get the chair. I love it. I want to get some cute flower for short nails, but in the meantime, I want to keep the disco gels on it. All right. So these two are good. I'm just basically using the crystal pickers on the dot 2 end, so I can pick it easy with any beads of the 40 gels that I want. You can press it down. This too is everything. You can make your petals longer, shorter, more round, more leggy, however you want. Unleash your potential. Thank you so much to all Glitz Babe for tuning in, and welcome. If you are first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live tutorial. We are live, going live pretty much every single day except Sunday, and some certain days that I will be out of the town or the office. But I'm here to be part of your journey, and I'm so excited. It's my honor to be here and to share with you all the time. You can go on and on and on and on about this, add more as you prefer. I'm going to go as like an S shape like this. So now, if you're happy with this, and we can definitely cure it, but I'm going to add just a couple of a crystal using my glow in the dark crystal kiss number 1 and number 2. But the number 1 is such a great one. And grab it before it's sold out again. So I'm going to using the concept 3-step methods for my crystal trifecta. I'm going to using condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gel. Even though you're using a little bit on the 40 flowers, however, you don't want the crystal to come off. You want your flowers to look super cute and last long. So what I'm using is, normally you see me with tinted brush, but this time I'm going to just using a dot 2 because I just need to add it a little bit on this You know, now keep in mind, if you don't want to use crystal, fine, you can add another color of the 40 gels, which is there's like 27 different colors of a 40 gel. You can really enjoying it. Or if you want a beads, a metal beads, you can able to do that as well. So do what you like and happy with. All right, so I took advantage from this 40 gel. It's still nice and not clear completely, so it's still soft. So between the 40 gels and my condensed glue gels and no white top coat, it will hold my crystals, not only last for whenever it is, but it is also, it will stay with the flower until you are going to remove them and put the new flowers on. So I'm gonna just give it a little dot of the no white top coat right on the top of the condensed glue gels. And then we're gonna add this one on. I really like this. It's has the green, so I'm gonna get the green on this one. How about I give it how about I give it the huge green right here? What do you think? You can add any colors. It doesn't have to be this colors. It's happened that I am showing you. I'm gonna add the. I'm gonna show you. So cute. Adding some pink on this. This kits, glow in the dark kits, is everything. Is my favorite. Is go with everything, especially it's a thrill, but it has like a thousand of the crystal for me to create it, from the really dramatic design to really simple designs. Like you can see that we can use a really cute simple SS to create this really adorable flower looks. I'll try to get the smaller size. Let me go and get my kits because I need some more SS. This is my kit set is, you can have like the kits that I have it, and it is still so many. It has like 1,000 of different of the crystal, not only SS, but it has so many cute shape that I can definitely use it. And I did that so many times for your tutorial, and so much frame in there, and it's almost like out. So grab them during a special sales. You're not only getting a special, and also you are going to receive $100 of Glitz gift cards. That's good. Happy with this? We're going to now cure this for 60 seconds. Good.